In this video, I will tell you the implementation of NOR gate on breadboard. NOR operation is simply OR operation followed by NOT operation. NOR gate is obtained by coupling the OR gate with the NOT gate. Thus, for this same combination of input, the output of NOR gate will be opposite or to that of an OR gate. This is the symbolic diagram of NOR gate. This is the truth table of NOR gate, in which we can see that the NOR gate only give high input when both of its input are 0. IC number of NOR gate is 7402. This is IC pin out of NOR gate, in which we can see that the first pin is output of first gate, and second and third pin of first gate, and second is input of first gate. 7 pin will always be grounded, and 14 pin we will provide VCC. This is the pin 7402. This is the IC. Now I will show you how to implement NOR gate on breadboard. This is the pin 14. I will connect it to this row, and then I will provide here and I will provide VCC to this terminal. I will ground 7 terminal, 7th pin, and now from this we can clearly see second and third pin are inputs of first gate, so we provide 2 inputs here. For output, first I attach 100 ohm resistor. I will attach positive leg of 100 ohm of LED to 100 ohm resistor, and I will ground negative terminal of LED. You can see that. Now I will provide 9-volt battery. Here I ground both inputs, and as you can see, LED glow. LED glow when both of its inputs are 0. Now I will attach. Now I will connect one pin to VCC to higher level. Now as you can see that I attach this pin to VCC to higher level, and LED doesn't glow. LED only glow when both of its input are at 0, as you can see there.